The internet is a goldmine. It's a vast, untapped resource where opportunities are endless and fortunes are made every day. YouTube is a goldmine within a goldmine. It's a platform where creativity meets commerce, and anyone can strike it rich with the right strategy. Every day, millions of dollars are made from YouTube videos. Content creators from all walks of life are cashing in, turning their passions into profits. The best part, you don't even have to be on camera to get a piece of the pie. You can remain completely anonymous and still generate substantial income. That's where YouTube automation comes in. This revolutionary approach allows you to create and manage channels without being directly involved in the day-to-day operations. It's like having a money-making machine working for you 24/7, even while you sleep. Your content keeps generating views and revenue around the clock. Imagine waking up to more money in your bank account. Each morning you see the fruits of your automated efforts, growing your wealth effortlessly. Imagine traveling the world, all while your YouTube channels rake in cash. You can live the digital nomad lifestyle working from anywhere with an internet connection. This isn't a fantasy, this is the reality of YouTube automation. Many have already achieved this, and you can too. In this digital age, anyone can become an entrepreneur. The barriers to entry are lower than ever before, and the potential rewards are immense. You don't need a fancy degree or a ton of money. What you need is determination, creativity, and the willingness to learn and adapt. All you need is the right information and the drive to succeed. There are countless resources available to help you get started and grow. So, are you ready to learn the secrets of YouTube automation? Are you prepared to take the first step towards financial freedom? Are you ready to create a life of freedom and abundance? Let's dive in. Together, we'll explore the strategies and tools you need to succeed. Your path to passive income. YouTube automation is simple. You create a YouTube channel. You don't make the videos yourself. You hire others to do it for you. You upload the videos. You get paid. Think of it like owning a restaurant. You don't cook the food, you hire chefs. You don't serve the food, you hire waiters, but you own the restaurant, you make the money. YouTube automation is the same. You own the channel, you make the money, but you outsource the work. This means you can run multiple channels at once. More channels mean more income. The best part? It's passive income. You create the videos once. They can make money forever. It's like printing money while you sleep. Starting a YouTube automation business doesn't require a fortune. You don't need to break the bank to get started, but having the right tools can make a world of difference. But you do need the right tools. These tools will be the backbone of your operation, helping you streamline your workflow and produce high-quality content. Think of these tools as your weapons in the fight for online success. Each piece of equipment plays a crucial role in your journey to becoming a YouTube sensation. First, you need a computer. This is the heart of your YouTube empire. A laptop or a desktop will do. Whether you prefer the portability of a laptop or the power of a desktop, choose what suits your needs best. You'll use this to manage your channels, upload videos, and track your earnings. It's your command center for all YouTube activities. Second, you need video editing software. This is where the magic happens. This is where you'll put the finishing touches on your videos. Editing is crucial to make your content engaging and professional. Don't worry, you don't need to be a Hollywood editor. Basic editing skills are enough to get you started. There are plenty of user-friendly options available, some even for free. Software like iMovie, DaVinci Resolve, and HitFilm Express are great for beginners. Third, you need a microphone. Clear audio can make or break your videos. Good audio is crucial for YouTube success. Viewers are more likely to engage with videos that have clear and crisp sound. A decent microphone will ensure your videos sound professional. Investing in a good microphone can significantly improve the quality of your content. Finally, you need a platform to find freelancers. You can't do everything alone, and that's where freelancers come in. This is where you'll find video editors, voiceover artists, and scriptwriters. Remember, you're the boss. You hire the talent. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer can connect you with skilled professionals to help grow your channel. The first step to YouTube automation success is choosing a niche. A niche is simply a topic. Think about it. What are you passionate about? What do you know a lot about? Your niche could be anything. Gaming, cooking, finance, travel, the possibilities are endless. The key is to choose a niche that is profitable and has a large audience. Research is key here. Use YouTube's search bar to see what's popular. Look at the number of views on videos. This will give you an idea of what people are watching. Remember, your niche is the foundation of your YouTube empire. Choose wisely, and you'll be on your way to building a successful business. Section 5, Step 2, Channel Creation. Building your online empire. Once you've chosen your niche, it's time to create your channel. This is your online storefront. It's important to make a good first impression. First, choose a catchy channel name. Your channel name should be relevant to your niche and easy to remember. Next, create a channel logo. This is a visual representation of your brand. It should be eye-catching and professional. Finally, write a compelling channel description. Tell viewers what your channel is about and what they can expect to see. Remember, your channel is your online real estate. Make it inviting, informative, and engaging. Section 6, Step 3, Content is King. Outsourcing your way to success. Content is king on YouTube. Your videos are the heart of your channel. But remember, you're outsourcing the creation process. The key is to find talented freelancers who can create high-quality videos that meet your standards. Use freelancing platforms to find experienced video editors, scriptwriters, and voiceover artists. When outsourcing, be clear about your expectations. Provide detailed briefs and deadlines. Review the work carefully and provide constructive feedback. Remember, you're the director of your YouTube empire. You're responsible for the final product. Section 7, Step 4, The Algorithm Whisperer, SEO and Keyword Optimization. Creating great content is only half the battle. You can have the most engaging, informative, and entertaining videos, but if no one sees them, all that effort goes to waste. You need to make sure people actually find your videos. This means understanding how to make your content discoverable. This is where SEO and keyword optimization come in. These strategies are essential for increasing your video's visibility. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. It's a set of practices designed to improve the appearance and positioning of web pages in organic search results. It's the art of making your videos appear higher in YouTube search results. The higher your video ranks, the more likely it is to be seen by a larger audience. The higher you rank, the more people will see your videos. This can lead to more views, more subscribers, and ultimately, more success for your channel. Keyword research is crucial for SEO. It involves identifying the terms and phrases that people are searching for in relation to your content. Keywords are the words and phrases people type into YouTube's search bar. These are the terms that will help your video get discovered. Use keyword research tools to find popular keywords related to your niche. These tools can provide insights into what your potential audience is searching for. Incorporate these keywords into your video titles, descriptions, and tags. This will make it easier for YouTube's algorithm to understand and categorize your content. This will help YouTube understand what your videos are about and rank them accordingly. By optimizing your videos for SEO, you increase the chances of reaching a wider audience and growing your channel. Section 8, Step 5, Lights, Camera, Promotion, Marketing your channel so you have a great channel with amazing content. Now you need to get the word out. You need to market your channel like a pro. Social media is your best friend. Create profiles for your channel on platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Share your videos, engage with your followers, and build a community. Collaborate with other YouTubers in your niche. Cross-promote each other's channels to reach a wider audience. Think of it as a win-win situation. Run contests and giveaways. Everyone loves free stuff. Offer incentives for people to subscribe to your channel and share your videos. Section 9, Step 6, Show me the money. Monetization strategies. Now for the part you've all been waiting for, making money. There are several ways to monetize your YouTube automation channels. The most common method is through advertising revenue. Once you reach a certain number of subscribers and watch hours, you can apply for YouTube's Partner Program. Once approved, ads will start appearing on your videos. You'll earn a share of the revenue generated from these ads. The more views your videos get, the more money you make. Affiliate marketing is another lucrative option. This involves promoting other people's products or services in your videos. You'll earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. Section 10, Case Studies from Zero to Hero, Real-Life Success Stories. Don't just take my word for it. There are countless success stories of people who have built life-changing income through YouTube automation. Take, for example, insert name, a stay-at-home mom who started a channel about DIY crafts. Within a year, she was making more money than her husband's full-time job. Or, insert name, a college student who turned his passion for gaming into a thriving YouTube automation business. He now travels the world, all thanks to the power of passive income. These stories are not exceptions. They are proof that YouTube automation can work for anyone willing to put in the effort. Section 11. YouTube automation, your ticket to freedom. YouTube automation is more than just a way to make money online. It's a ticket to freedom. It's a way to escape the 9-to-5 grind and become your own boss. It's a way to build a business that works for you, not the other way around. It's a way to achieve financial independence and live life on your own terms. So, what are you waiting for? The world of YouTube automation awaits. Take the first step today and start building the life of your dreams. Remember, the only limit is your own imagination.